Hey, I'm excited to share some updates that we've been working on with our team over at Replay. We're introducing a Replay MCP, a companion that helps you debug your application. It connects the power of Replay browser, which has amazing debugging capabilities, with the power of AI. Let me just show you how it works. So I have created this minimalistic Twitter clone, and it looks pretty good, but whenever I try to send a tweet, and I post something, the whole page goes blank. Normally what I would do is to open my DevTools and maybe inspect my network panel or my console, but we're not in 2024 anymore. Here is where Replay CLI comes in. A Replay CLI is a tool that allows you to capture the bug and find the relevant information. So no matter how complicated the bug is, you have all of the information you need in order to find the root cause. Now, because this is a CLI tool, you can simply just install it and start to use it. But if you want to take AI into the loop, we have put together a Replay CLI skills. These document the CLI capabilities, and your favorite AI will be able to pick them up. Let's see how it goes. I'm going to open Claude and ask it to record my browser session using Replay CLI skills. Claude is able to figure out that we are running on localhost 5173 and now opens the browser that is recording everything I do. When I go ahead and replicate my bug, I can then close the browser, and now I have my session captured. We can now upload our recording, and once the recording is uploaded, we can either open the link to our debug session, or we can use Replay MCP to get that information right inside our terminal. I have my MCP already imported in my project, and it follows the standard MCP setup. So whether you're using Claude Code, Cursor, Codex, or some other tool, you'll be able to install it and interact with your recording. So back in my terminal, I'm going to prompt Claude Code to debug my application using data from Replay MCP. You can now see Replay gathering the information from my recording. And just like that, Replay has provided the debug analysis for the root cause of my problem. Turns out I forgot to add parentheses to my trim function. There was nothing in my IDE that would hint at this problem, so it would take some time for me to find it out. So the debug analysis found the root cause of the bug. It has also explained the cascade of the errors, which is really neat, because sometimes we're starting with a network error, but what's actually happening is the problem in the component. And because Claude already has all the information, it suggests the right solution. Not only should I fix my function, but I should also add some error handling, because without it, my app will just crash. So let's go ahead and fix those errors. Confirm. And just like that, our application is fixed. We are currently at early stages with the MCP project. The internet is full of broken apps that are just waiting to be fixed, and Replay is able to help with that. So go ahead and give it a try.